Hello there. In this video, we're going to peer inside this box at that blue thing down there, which is a Draper Folding Mechanics foam mat. This mat makes it more comfortable to lie, kneel or sit next to a car when fixing it, and that's particularly important to me today because I'm injured. Hence the stick. Ow. Ow! Ow! Welcome to CarSpyTV. Okay. This mat is made of foam, which means it's very light. In fact, it's only 70 grams. It's also oil resistant, water resistant, and look at this. We have a handle at each side to make it easy to carry. As for the dimensions, well, when it's folded up like this, it measures 57 centimeters wide, 19.5 centimeters deep, and 18.5 centimeters tall. However, if you prefer, the mat can be unfolded by removing this black Velcro strap. Tell you what, let's just zoom out on the camera a little, and then you've got a better view. How's that? Now, this is a little tricky for me today because it hurts to extend my arms. But never mind. So, that is one option. Pretty useful, eh? Or indeed, we can open it all the way up. Ouch. Something like that. When unfolded, the mat is 3.1 centimeters thick, 120 centimeters long, and 57 centimeters wide, and that width is one of the reasons I bought it, because it's considerably wider than most of the other mats I saw. Anyway, to test this thing properly, we're going to have to lie down on some cold, hard, uncomfortable ground. This patio will do. Getting down won't be easy though, because my knees are, shall we say, not at their best, at least for today. Right. Okay. There's no easy way to do this, is there? Okay. That's not bad. It is certainly a lot more comfortable than lying on the cold, hard ground. The mat also has two small storage areas. There's one here for screwdrivers, and there's another one over there for, oh, I don't know, painkillers. And here's another view of the cutout grab handles that make it easier to carry the mat when it's folded up. In summary then, I'm glad I bought this mat. It's far more comfortable than lying directly on the ground. It's significantly wider than most of the alternatives I saw, and there are some nice little extras such as the storage compartments. On the downside, this is the type of foam that marks easily. I could score it with a nail, and this thing isn't cheap. I paid £35.83, including delivery, and that's plenty of money for what is essentially a piece of foam. So, what do you think about this product? Do you like it or not? Is it good value or not? You're welcome to have your say in the comment section, and while you're there, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV and to click like on this video. That would be great. Now, I'm off to the doctor. Bye.